Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update on South Sudan's politics, peace process, human rights and community voices. Before we proceed with this latest update, please make sure you subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you can be notified. Like the video and share the video so more people can hear these important stories. Our first topic story, Vice President Joseph Lagu Yanga has addressed the United Nations General Assembly in New York, and her message was clear: South Sudan is still open for peace. She said the unity government is considering the resumption of the Humanitarian Peace Initiative, a process that was designed to bring in opposition groups who were left out of the 2018 peace agreement when Dr. Machar and Salva Kiir Mayardit signed the peace agreement. Lagu told world leader that South Sudan needs lasting peace not only for its own people but also for stability in the Horn of Africa and beyond. She said South Sudan remains open to meaningful dialogue with other all-out groups. We welcome facilitation from our regional and international partners, she said. She went further to appeal to the international community to keep supporting South Sudan, not only politically, but also through technical assistance, capacity building, and development aid. But this announcement comes after months of confusion. In July, senior presidential advisor Kwal Manyangjuk, who was leading the government delegation, declared the Tumani Initiative dead. That's what he said. He said Tumani Initiative is dead. He argued that the opposition had no case and accused them of trying to undermine the 2018 peace agreement. Kwal Manyangjuk said the proposal of creating a leadership council was nothing but a coup attempt. He even accused Nairobi of allowing opposition group to form a military wing in Kenya, something he described as a violation of East African community principles. However, Dr. Mohamed Ali Guyo, deputy chief mediator of the Kenya-led process, contradicted Kwal Manyangjuk. He said the Tumani Initiative is still alive, backed by leaders in South Sudan, Kenya, and across the region. Dr. Guyo urged all parties to return to the negotiation table, saying it is important to engage with a new protocol, new understanding, and focus on the work ahead. As of now, the Nairobi peace talks have been on hold since February 7, when the government delegation requested more time to finalize their roadmap, but no date for resumption was set. The Tumani Initiative was supposed to be the platform to bring everyone together, heal division, and push South Sudan toward democracy. Yet today, it remains uncertain. Lagu word at the UN show the government want to reopen the door. The big question is, will the opposition trust them enough to walk back in? Before we proceed with our second story, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing at Changfied YouTube channel. Our second topic story, a right group filed case over kidnapping. Now let us move to Nimule in eastern Equatorial State, where a disturbing story has shaken the legal and human rights community. A well-known human rights organization, Justice and Human Rights Observatory, has filed a police case against 5 members of military intelligence. Why? Because they are accused of kidnapping Advocate Booth Philip, a lawyer working for the group. According to report, the incident happened around 1 p.m. on Thursday. Philip had just left the court with some of his clients when men identified as military intelligence officer intercepted him near Green Valley. They allegedly forced him into their vehicles and drove toward Moli, where they attempted to execute him. Thankfully, one of his clients, who had been ordered to run away, escaped and alerted the mayor of Nimule. The mayor acted quickly, contacted higher officials, and Philip was released the following morning. Advocate Godfrey Victor Bulla, the group executive director, confirmed the case. He said Despite Philip's decline to personally pursue the case, the organization insists the suspect must face justice. Bulla explained that a car accident occurred during the abduction, injuring one of the alleged intelligence officers. But the key point remains: human rights defenders in South Sudan are not safe. The Justice and Human Rights Observatory is demanding that the 5 suspects from the military intelligence unit in Lua be arrested and prosecuted. This case has raised serious questions about the role of security forces, accountability, and respect for the rule of law in South Sudan. Our third story is UN report nearly 2,000 killed in 2025. From Nimule, we move to Geneva, where the United Nations has released a heartbreaking report. The UN Human Rights Office say that at least 1,854 civilians have been killed in South Sudan between January and September this year, 2025. This is a 59% increase compared to the same period last year, 2024. The numbers are shocking. 1,693 people injured and 423 abducted, around 169 subjected to sexual violence. And the UN say the real number could be even higher, as many cases remain unverified due to insecurity. The first 3 months of 2025 alone saw the highest number of civilian victims since 2020. The UN Human Rights Chief Volker Turk expressed deep concern. He warned that with political tension high and the 2010 revitalized peace agreement at risk of collapse, civilians are the ones paying the price. He said men, women, and children have been killed, injured, and displaced. Homes, school, health center, and other infrastructure destroyed. The report also blamed government force for military operation in populated area, including airstrike that killed civilians and destroyed school and hospital. At the same time, communal violence has risen by 33%, with many killed in intercommunal fighting. The UN documented at least 45 extrajudicial killings by security forces, including the killing of 2 boys. The High Commissioner called on all parties to protect civilians and respect humanitarian law. He also urged the South Sudanese government to ensure that ongoing court proceedings against first Vice President Riek Machar and other opposition leaders follow international standards. This trial began on September 22nd in Juba, where Machar and senior SPLMI officials faced charges of treason, murder, and crimes against humanity. The UN warning is clear: South Sudan is on the brink. Without urgent action, the country risks sliding back into full-scale war. Finally, we turn to the voice of the Nuer community. Nuer community, they are calling for the immediate release of Dr. Machar, saying it is the only way for peace and for peace to prevail in South Sudan. Machar, the first Vice President and leader of the SPLMIO, has been under house arrest and now faces court charges. The Nuer community believe that holding him is worsening the crisis, blocking peace and fueling anger among communities. For them, peace in South Sudan cannot move forward without Machar participation. They argue that only through inclusive leadership and dialogue can the nation avoid another civil war. Jawaban ling gwasame kajan larame ban rek mandana shalat gwasame. An walle shi George Benenu president kirma yadi ta medane che jakala vice president Josephine Lagu yanga jen shawara ki United Nations General Assembly ray wiki New York ka jomi chalat chala de wone ne South Sudan ngode gora mal chala de unity government wa gur ken ode ken male dane sha to ke to man peace initiative kam kirma yadit ken to man peace initiative ne te contextual ke all out group te de rodian mat ke te sharen mat wa ken gur ken ode ken mal mode ken nyogmu gur ken an male dane sha to ke to man peace initiative chala do o de ne dial te konde sha gagrar gwade sha mal chai tantin koron kin dangre dual badak kam Dr. Machar ken kin yadit no de kente kajen pad kajen peace process mo malat kere week Nairobi ko jen do badan de ne dial de ko kulban gwa kel keje Lagu she ne tin konti la kwarwin mon che ga jogo no South Sudan gore je gora mala no de mal der tin ka mala cho mala mon cha de long ka men lel je le de ka nyok chela de no en ji South Sudan mal dan gor ken shi mal me be benefit ka ki mi be gwa ka karodien der gwa bo ka wi diatin ko kien tin konen tie ka chela de no South Sudan ngode gor ken no de ka rach kenetin kon tilawlat group kinetin kon gor ka mal ka gor ken no ba de kan ne konti la regional ken international partner de kan gorno de ka participate kamal danam ba latre wika South Sudan ko jen do bran be mal be ben keje jen che international community che ga jogo no shonga kel ke South Sudan chwa chunga ke ku politika ka rwade dundo lwa ka tin dialen konde kan kala chet ke capacity building and development head and de yen kalwak ka kwak che humanitarian ke nyobba de yen me chala de la army bargo de yen lift ka de yen ka lok bone ko de yen taye dan la det ke me dan de ne dan chikana den de yen nyok ka muku yen council kon wing ngode tere reka ke tela kwakto gore teten jo me chalat gwase dan e chotin ano de kon jo me de konling ka tuman peace initiative ka taye dan chalat keje wude chal ke kol manyang juga ne charwach ajene tuman peace initiative che je ke shedet Tuman Shid initiative is that Chajo Mo Chajala dan Kol Manyangjuk. Kol Manyangjuk Jala no tele ne case Canadian Contilla opposition group ko can tell me let ken gor kano bekan 2018 peace agreement bekan yar kano lat group chi Kol Manyangjuk Chajo Mo Chajalat. Chalar no ka gwade dan me chala no de resumed in de jeto kajen Tuman peace initiative to Kol Manyangjuk Chajalo no bi mala mo ba woniam. Ajen do be dan e kwa Tuman peace initiative kwa ile kapchonga je. Neka pyro me chaja gek me chi government delegation chi kanura yuke juba ko wo ra ke kir ka kore to ajogo no ba Tuman peace initiative ba nyoko mulo jetin ano ka pay diok change ndawlo ngwana pay diok ko kore tel mi chala da ken kol manyang juk chala no melat ke Tuman peace initiative chicken gori mal jen jowe dan chalat chaga ga jeni ngumi chi Tuman peace initiative bo chi kaneten kontin la bon olat group ngum shuren mo commercial ga UPA yone United People Alliance gwal me shiken military di kan mar lakkele jenna mone cha East African Community Principle cha je violate anetin kontila tin la mediator Tuman peace initiative ko ne ti cha ga de ala no de kan force niken de kan kamar lakkel che jo mo che jalat Dr. Mohamed Ali Guyo chela de wone ne jaram dala deputy chief mediator chela de no en me chala de Kol Manyangjuk jene kach Tuman peace initiative kana konjek jatin Tuman peace initiative kwaje backup leader South Sudan ke Kenya kana ne dialen content en wenamo again Tuman peace initiative ngode teka chikan jomo chikan lat chikala do be kan to ko kor gwaten be jomo de yen link ku Tuman peace initiative chana men woka lera do dien gwasumene teka jomo chalat rewich kan numili ka gwame chala do national security ke national security ne de kontre wike South Sudan chala do kente ke wun mi chikana kep ko bom ke wun mi chikana page na mo to ko numuli ke Eastern Equatoria State gwan mi chala do ne ne chinetin kontila de ni national security force wa chika human right violation chikana lat gwan mi chikaran kep no ke chikana page human right organization mala mtaka justice kan human right observatory chikala de wonene chikan warga chikan gwar police ano bane dang diech ba ka capital members of military intelligence ba ka dil ka ba ka nangwa loki ba nangwa court ka me jega dan chikan la chikan la de wonene ne diti chaun michel ke boss philip wa chikan ke both philip mo dio ko jen wo cheremi wunwara wa jen chikan ke chikan kidnap both philip jen a lawyer jen gwad dan le tere wichin binami chala de wo chicken both philip chicken kef kan wena mo wa chu kan nang re ro lode kan wonak menimo ram native to kel ke both philip wa chu ruden bar ka chu kan de kontil la mayor Nimule chu kan jogo no te gun michal ke both philip micha nang tam wa jenak natin kon till national security officer wa jen jiene wudo mo mala kwerk Nimule and gwad mo no national security force chu ka gor ka chu ka jek ken nak wan wena money chuna chugo yara yuke juba ka chwa jogo no te wud michal ke both philip mi gor connect the national security force chakula de wone ne kene dang die to awa gor ken wode ken nanga court ka do bana chi ken wudo mo chi ken de naka je ko wudo meni awa jen a lawyer do bana ne ken je wa kana kon ngach du no wan nak gor kan nak de don ko nuer jen dob dan don gor kan no de kan nakaje Advocate Godfrey Victor Bula shela do nene shela do group executive director shikala do no case michirna me chajelep du no Lagu shalke both Philip wa tele michalat dob dan chade nakaje wa ken case kan je pursue ko dong de ne to de ke tich ka dob dan chade nakaje bat chapel ko gege jen o dwale ko dong de ja gor ki de jenak du no chineti kondla ji human right chikan wo ko chika warga chikana gor ko ba wudo moni no ba case de ba ja gor ko de ne kon chi de nak de ka dil kap so jo me mi chikan lat wichin winami gwasa me to kon kalere dien bu kon nyoko mlin kon ala UN report no take UN report mi chalat kene ne shop ke kin dangro chaka na ka jen 2025 de kontena ron kin dangro jen dangro de dich chala de UN en go ne ke report mi chikan lat en go ne ti shop ke kin dangro awanyam chaka nak atuga ka January bene ka jen gwada de continent ma ka pai bangwana me ka September no chajo mo chajela de ken UN Human Rights Office chikala do wonene Ellis no ne ri ke kit ur kurba da guri jendi don wan ka civilian kanetin kone sha nagare wi ka South Sudan wan na ka ke January ke ka pai kel bene ka pai bangwan ka jer wona me kenene ne kene pega cha nang na ka jer wona me wa charo da rebelong me kwaje compare ke park ka me chiro da lat ke 2024 kene pega chili utama ke 2025 karwade wala nyi me da ne dia le ko ne chili ke 2024 ka jo kan lat gwas me ne kene di chop ke kitir kur bakel wi jen bongon wi dok kene di chamo ka bot ke jer wona me ne di ku dang wan wi jen dang ro di dok kene di cha pe ke cha ka abducted ne di chop ko korjin bakel bangwan kene di cha ka pin chet kamen ala sexual violence ka jo ran chikanalat ci UN chikanalat no ne peng na dongda wo kamere bon rode but ko te ne te to wana ka report but kentin konen cha report kentin koni ken ga jiki chikan kanen cha jo mo cha jala de ken chikan mi chitana me chikana ngach ko chere kelat but me chikan lat long genen kenedin kon na kana long te me gajen gwate me wa ke national security South Sudan national security kenedin konen cha peng mi di long rewi ka South Sudan cha kan naga ken ka jen 2025 me cha nyomu kwa je compare ke 2020 taye dan shana na ka je kane ci dine 2025 long liya dan ci na tu ka je ci UN Human Rights Chief wun Michel Bolker Turk cha jo me cha jala no me beje long cha na ci ga teje no mu we kana sha 2018 the peace agreement cha nyoko mo kwa je tan jeno ne tin wan bu ga yar long rewi ka South Sudan ke bana bu ga liu ka pe nen tin kon bu liu ke jeni kanetin kon tila civilian ci ma de ne chala den wo men woni ka gat cha ka naga long ka cha mu ka bot ka cha ga jojba antame shankani IDP tanin shankani refugee camp ka East Africa chikala den wo gwad mi mo cha ga joj dor ken cha dul ken cha ka wang cha dul gor ken cha ka gag ka nyok cha go kon de kan wal ken kula jiktin cha ka yar so mi chirna me mi jek ka jodan chikana kon gwad me report chalat gwasame wa belke kum kirma yadit military operation la kana let gwad na antina tigitin gwad me nakar natin badjo chakulat jene wane tin wan nakake long kerenial ki helicopter ndana chibok wajen again pek michine tin wan che kana long ko la kana helicopter la kana nan bana ba ko bok kerenial chiji wani kala no kinetin wan ci galiu ka boga dana lantin helicopter la bogaje gwad me civilian tigitin cha jo mo cha je kweneken nyoka jomo jikan la chikala do ne kur kam dori wacho de rep chawona ka 33% no gwan me nagnatin konti la jido rodian ki tuk dori rai wika South Sudan chikan jomo chikan la kan dor we kamre barode chiwona jen kami ngo garode chi ji wan chikan document go ne ne jen ngwan wi dich a chakan nak security forces rai wika South Sudan chikan nyola no te ka dol dangaro di chanak bo ji security forces ka do mi je ka long chi do mi gwa chikari por mo chikan lat chala no ai commissioner chikala do ne lat kan o de ne dia la kontila civilian de protect ka de ka mo ka kwen me de ka ne cham gun kon tigatin ka de ka respect bo ka ta dana dong tiken ga je ko dong ba na ba ka na ka bang ko na me e ken liya bo ka mere ben rode an let chaja kap chong re wika South Sudan chikan jo mo chikan lat man jagwa same nuer community re wika South Sudan and beyond lat kano de reng macha de jalun ko jen do badane bi mal bi ben ka je cha jo mo cha jala de ken anwar di alwi mon lat kano first by president Dr. Machar kuma spele mayo leader gor ka jen wajen de jalun ko londe ajen mi bi mal bi ben ka je mu e ngotere ti jen ke lo ka je ka lum shoro lot kene be jang situation ko be jalung ke kuje mo gor ka jen de reng machar de jalun rewika South Sudan cha jo mo cha jungun ke cha jalat jo Canadian tin kon tila international community amane kon interrewika South Sudan tin tongot te pingen kana lo nyering machar ko jen the only way and be mal be ben kaje me charing machar cha je bulun be jang situation ko be je ka long ke kuje mo te ka kuma kir mi yadit ano de ka reng machar de kana lo anwer community cha jo mo cha jala de ken ka jele reme chana right kamana chalat lagu ga ta da na cho right kaje are which ka cho right New York kaje gwada da na cha dol cha jo dol tin charai ke kwitu man peace initiative and what man peace initiative jatin began to kray wike South Sudan charai ke kwiyuma china chikonyo rai ke kwiyuma right case ka do badana chi military intelligence chawuri shal ke birth philip chikan de nakaje rai wike Nimule chana rai ke UN report human right katara ni kala jen wone ne chane ri chupke kin dangro shakana ke jer wona me karwade chana right ke mandana chalat and work community and go chol ken kumikir me yadit amene international community and go de reng macha de jekulun ka do badande malder ben keje jo me jenda na gore de nyaka konkel mi jira me jidid gwasme gorno jin bi nyane ko ken en biata ka malban je le redien bye bye